This is Honey. He is 14 years old. He gets along great with other cats. His previous owner passed away, so he was brought in with a bunch of other cats that the owner had. If you'd like to meet Honey, come on into the shelter. This is Sam. He is 4 years old. He gets along great with other cats, great with dogs, great with kids. He's kind of a chubby. He needs to lose some weight so he can be more active. He's way too young. If you'd like to meet Sam, come on into Kitty City. This is Bobby. He's got the greatest fur. He's 15 years old. His previous owner had too many, so they brought him in along with some others. If you'd like to meet Bobby, come on into Kitty City. Ringo. He is 4 years old. He's great with cats and great with kids. His previous owners brought him in because they were allergic. If you'd like to meet Ringo, come on into Kitty City. This is Roscoe. He is 7 years old. It says he is not good with cats, but he seems to be doing great here in Kitty City, and he is good with kids. If you'd like to meet Roscoe, come on into Kitty City. This is Lola. She is almost a year and a half. She's still very much a puppy. She is a lab pit bull mix. She gets along great with dogs. She is housebroken, and older kids are best for her. She's a little shy. If you'd like to meet Lola, come on into the shelter. This is Nadim. He is a 2-year-old Staffordshire mix. He acts so much like a nerdy puppy that it's cracking me up. He does get along great with other dogs. We're not sure about anything else. We actually rescued him from a different shelter. He needs a forever playful home. If you'd like to meet Nadim, please come into the shelter. This is Elmer. He is 2.5 years old, happy to be out of his kennel. He's a pit bull mix. We don't know much about him. We got him from another shelter. You'd like to meet Elmer? Come on into the shelter. This is Major. He is only 8 months old. He's a pit bull mix. He gets along fine with other dogs and great with kids, and he is housebroken. He's still pretty young and he's got a lot to learn, so he needs to go to a home with lots of love and lots of patience. If you'd like to meet Major, come on into the shelter. Chewy. He's about 4 years old. He's very scared here at the shelter. Once he warms up to you though, he's pretty sweet. We got him from another shelter, so we don't know much about him. If you'd like to meet Chewy, come on into the shelter. She's a 6-month-old pug chihuahua mix. Super sweet, tons of energy, loves treats, and of course loves B-Dog. If you'd like to meet Dee Dee, come on into the shelter. This is Oscar. He's a 3-year-old cute Chihuahua mix. We don't know much about him. We got him from another shelter. He's got a great tail wag, cute personality. If you would like to meet Oscar, come on into the shelter.